Welcome to our tiny village, where we're about to make some fresh jaggery. We start by hand-harvesting sugarcane from our lush miniature grove. The towering stalks stand tall, waiting to be picked and processed. We use a functional iron press to crush the sugarcane and extract the juice. The sound of grinding and the scent of sweet juice fill the air. Next, we simmer the juice over a clay hearth to concentrate the sugars. The liquid thickens and turns into a golden, aromatic jaggery. We wait patiently as the mixture reaches the perfect consistency. Once set, we carefully remove the jaggery from the heat. The cooling jaggery is carefully placed on wooden planks to harden. As it cools, the jaggery becomes firmer and more fragrant. Finally, our fresh jaggery is ready to be enjoyed by the villagers. We take great pride in every step of the jaggery making process. From seed to syrup, every detail is carefully considered and executed. Our jaggery is a true reflection of our love and dedication to traditional methods. We hope you've enjoyed this journey with us through the jaggery making process. From our village to yours, we share the joy and sweetness of fresh jaggery. Join us next time for more ASMR adventures in our tiny village. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content. We'll see you in the next video, where we'll explore more of our village's secrets. Thanks for watching and joining us on this ASMR journey.